Are you looking to jumpstart a career in data analytics? Look no further than PaniTech Academy. Our comprehensive data analytics course is designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in today's data-driven economy. Our experienced instructors, who are experts in the field, will guide you through the latest data analytics techniques and tools, including machine learning, statistical analysis, and data visualization. You will get hands-on experience working with real-world data sets and projects, giving you the opportunity to apply what you've learned in a practical setting. And at the end of the course, you will have the chance to showcase your skills and knowledge in a final project presentation. And with our career services team, you will have the support you need to land your dream job in data analytics. Don't wait. Take the first step towards a successful career in data analytics by enrolling in PaniTech Academy's Data Analytics course today. Sign up now at panitechacademy.com or call 202-790-2928, 240-200-6474